Hello, today I've made something like the Lego pistol. It's not finished. I'm gonna make Lego guns on my channel. So that's that ammo belt, and then that's the inside. As you can see, so it starts off a bit like this. Have that. Put it in. 12 shots, bang, bang, bang. I have more of these things. The magazine, then it comes out. And you put a new one in. Yeah, bye.